holding below that area, then I'm just gonna assume we're gonna short at some point.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna try a short here. It's gonna be
So I was thinking about it.
super risky here, but I do like this structure. I'm doing it on
Yeah,
my
ideally, if we're gonna start the sell model, be out of this 5, right?
exactly. Yeah, agreed. Out of the BPR. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I got my stops at the SMT high. If we break that,
That's valid. It gives it space.
yeah, I'm totally fine with taking this out. This is a loss. I do like this honestly.
The way we're engineering the lows look good, so I think we ultimately are gonna come down for everything. Let's see where the fibs are for this little range that we made. We have equilibrium like 398
Okay.
from this high to this most recent low.
But
And like on the hourly, like this most recent wick, I would view it as like a rejection wick because it swept the high inside the hourly gap and then it came down hard. And like the fibs look pretty good with that wick too.
but
Golden pocket is basically CE of that wick at 407.
but
Looks good. You have SMTs up there with ES and YM too.
mm-hmm.
And yeah, those London lows are just perfect. Like I literally watched price like as it was coming down, and I thought it was gonna take London on. Like when I watched it, I was like, nice. So we have equal lows for tomorrow.
Yeah, no, those lows just. I mean, they gotta get hit, right?
I would think so, honestly. The way it looks like structurally, it kind of just looks like an accumulation range, and we took the top of the range. So now we should start coming to the bottom of it.
Mm-hmm. Still got 16 minutes. Wow.
Yeah. The only reason we would continue to expand higher is just because we ended up tapping like that monthly gap at the bottom finally. That's the only reason. And then if the daily wants to retrace,
Yeah. 4 hour. I mean, honestly, looking at the 4 hour, bro. Like, yeah, we got the inverse and stuff, but I want to see us take out those equal lows. Like, tap
yeah,
this
take
four
those
hour
equal
gap.
lows, tap that 4 hour.
Exactly, and then expand higher.
You guys did make an SMT in that 4 hour. They're like a very like slight SMT. It basically like wicked into the very top of the 4 hour.
Okay. But,
I don't know. We're just
yeah,
like
I saw
these
that.
highs just look super wicky on the 4 hour, so it's kind of weird.
Hmm.
I do want to see like the retrace, and then I mean, if it wants to go higher, then that's valid.
Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with that. Whatever. I'll take
Yeah,
the middle.
but yeah. I mean, I wouldn't entertain longs. Basically, we'd have to break back above like those SMT highs for me to even think we're gonna go higher. Otherwise, I'm bearish in this range.
Yeah.
Let's see. We have yeah, we have 10 a.m. news, red folder, job openings, Schultz,
But
and then some like 9:45 yellow folder, PMI, Chicago PMI.
9:45, you said.
Yeah,
But okay.
I'm pretty sure pre-market they were having like some kind of like a press conference like about the war. So like those candles are a result of that. All those like falling candles.
Okay. Wow. It's some pretty decent volume here in pre-market.
Yeah,
Not too bad. We're
it's
gonna open up.
like a 130 point range.
Yeah, we're gonna open up and just start fucking ranging. Watch.
Hopefully not. I mean, overnight didn't do too much realistically. I mean, well, Asia expanded, but I think that was some form of like news. And then I mean, London consolidated for the most part, really. So I mean, I would like to see this sweep at the top be like the manipulation of London and then distribute through its
Mm-hmm.
lows.
No, it's totally fair.
Be solid. The only thing I could see, I guess, is like potentially Asia being like the start of the move, London like consolidating, then we break London again for higher. But like that would also just mean we have to still break these highs. So
Yeah, just a straight continuation, like from
yeah,
like through the whole day. Yeah.
like this would just have to be like an accumulation, then we break the highs as a breakout, and then we continue.
Mm-hmm.
But as long as we're down here, like we can definitely be bearish. I want to see this play as an AMD.
Mm-hmm.
And then if we start like getting weak and coming lower, it means that 15-minute down there is like not as significant for price. So we should expect it to like not hold because we tapped it, made a run up, and we're getting weak now.
Yeah, honestly, I do want to see lower.
I like how these lows are stacking up like trend line.
Mm-hmm. Agreed. There's just no willingness to go higher. We're trying, but.
Yeah, we definitely try to make like some pops up, but we're selling them off pretty heavily.
Mm-hmm.
We just got to put in like a lower high here, hold that SMT at the top.
Agreed.
Let me see. What like heavy news do we have this week? I think we have NFP.
Okay.
But like I'm confused because Friday is supposed to be like Good Friday, so the market's closed, but there's red folder at 8:30 somehow. Or I think they said it closes. They're closing the market at I think
1.
8 a.m. or 9 a.m. like Central or some shit.
Oh shit.
I don't know, some weird shit like that. But either that or the markets are completely closed on Friday, from what I know.
Okay. If the options market might be closed and like the futures market might be like a half day, you know.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I probably just won't trade Friday if it's supposed to be like a half day.
Yeah, no, me too. I'll take off
We'll
from
just
that.
cut the week short there.
Yeah.
So yeah, tomorrow we have NFP 8:15. We have like 4 different red folder events. Jesus.
Yeah.
For the first day of the month. Wait, my boy texted me and said if we're talking to, oh wait, but he's deafened, that's why. That's why he can't hear us. He said he couldn't hear us, but he's deafened.
Do we have to change that or he can?
No, I think it's on his end that he's deafened.
But
So that Chicago PMI at 945, it's a yellow folder, but like, was it always yellow though?
PMI?
Chicago PMI, I feel like that's different than the.
Regular
Well, no,
PMI?
that's PMI, right? I don't know, right?
I don't know, honestly.
Huh.
Honestly,
Yeah, I have no clue. Oh, Tradeify introduced trade C for their accounts now.
Oh, that's what the big thing was?
40% off all accounts. They added like a reward system. You can get up to 90K in live rewards.
Oh wow.
You can have 5 live accounts. You can get up to 90K in rewards, like across 5 monthly rewards. Consistent trader rewards. So like if you have like a solid consistency score, you'll get larger reward pools.
Okay.
Real-time dashboard updates, instant activations now. They added 25K growth accounts and selects.
I like the selects.
No more subscriptions, so it's not recurring anymore for their accounts.
Okay.
It's pretty solid. So one-time purchase. What else? I think really there's just like they kind of just like caught up to what like Lucid's doing really.
Yeah.
Like just faster all around, and then 25K accounts, etc. Pretty solid.
That's solid, honestly.
Yeah, it's not bad. They didn't really they didn't add anything that like hinders them at all. It's just like all beneficial really.
Hmm.
Hopefully Tradesy would be better now that like other firms are adding it though, because I've heard it's still kind of like wonky.
Bro, those fills are terrible. I've seen.
Yeah, like you'll just get slipped where price has never been.
Hmm.
Like all right. And like in these markets now, the way they're moving is like, bro, you can get slipped like 20 points. That's a lot.
Oh, that's a lot, bro. For sure.
I'm interested as to why price is starting to creep up here. Really.
Honestly. Why are we moving up?
I don't have like strong conviction for higher at all. Like I can't really see a frame for higher unless like these are just gonna be stair step retraces all the way up.
Hmm.
But like I don't know, those equal lows, London equal lows, just I don't know, man.
No, I agree. I want to see those.
If I'm gonna frame long, it has to be obvious. Those highs have to get broken first, and then we have to clearly show like willingness to continue higher above that.
I would agree 100%. 110%.
And like the next draw higher on the higher time frame is 538 and 574, which is that data wick from yesterday and the daily gap fill as well as previous day high.
Wow, yeah. I mean
So I mean,
that's a pretty decent ways away.
yeah. So I mean, we would know if it's worth longing before like way beforehand.
And we would have to be cutting through that 1 hour for value gap, you know? At
Yeah,
least,
exactly.
you know.
We'd have to like start pushing through this huge 15-minute as well
Hmm.
from yesterday 9:30 gap. So yeah, I mean, I think it's valid. We frame shorts until further notice, until we just like break into maybe like the high 400s, if anything.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. Got 6 minutes.
Yeah, pretty slow for the pre-market so far, but that might not be a bad thing.
Hmm.
This would be a really good AMD if we can go lower. Like the manipulation of the top's done. We just have to start like distributing.
Yep. 5 minute looks really clean too, honestly. I like this for
Yeah,
the start of the move.
yeah, we should be coming into some of those fibs now on like the this lower time frame range.
Yep. Just have the 5 minute CISD or whatever.
Yeah,
That area.
that previous close in the five was interesting.
Yeah, we flipped that gap, but I want to see that inverse fail, to be honest.
Yeah, no, I like that wick at the top that we left on the other candle because it was like printing bullish and then it closed bearish at the last second.
Hmm.
Left that top wick.
Yep.
Pretty good. Out of like that like the CISD order block. It's a pretty strong candle, honestly.
Hmm. I like that.
Yeah. I like the way it like rounded off at the top there. That
Yeah.
last candle.
Yep.
Solid. Held equilibrium of that range as well. Have you heard of the that company called Marvel or Marvel, whatever however you call it? It's like basically Marvel with two L's.
No. What is
I don't
it?
know. I don't know like what they do, but I got a tweet overnight saying I guess Nvidia invested 2 billion into them.
Oh shit.
So I'd assume it's something like tech. I mean, Marvel Technology up 11% on the day.
Wow.
Jesus.
Wow.
Uh, Yeah, I guess it's just kind of like another company involved with like chips, like SSDs and things like that. I guess
Gotcha.
for AI,
Gotcha.
they're
Yeah.
sitting at 97 a share though. That's pretty cheap. $70 billion market cap.
Wow.
What the?
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, so they're a custom chip maker. Interesting. So it's like they could be like a supplier for Nvidia at some point, potentially. Pretty cool. I got 2 minutes.
Yep.
This candle's honestly really solid.
Yeah, I like this. Go on, drop NQ. I don't like how we didn't close that for value gap there.
Yeah, I wanted to see that 5 minute close like solid,
Mm-hmm.
to be honest. See, it says a minute could end up slamming down and giving you a solid close,
Yeah.
and then you just end up flying down.
Make it easy, NQ. All right, let's see what happens here.
Yep, 30 seconds.
All right. Let's see.
Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Jeez.
Did not expect that to happen.
Okay, here's SMT thing.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
1 second inverse.
Oh, wow.
Dude, that might. I don't want to say anything too soon. I want to see.
Oh, wow.
Huh. What an odd open.
That was crazy.
So far we just have internal SMT at the top with ES again.
Mm-hmm.
We have an internal one at the bottom of the small range.
I can't believe that one at the bottom really held. I wasn't expecting that one to, honestly.
What at the bottom? Oh, the gap?
Yeah, like this small 1 minute one.
Yeah, just peeping. Yeah. I mean, ideally, like you wouldn't even expect that because it just seems like such an insignificant gap in price.
Exactly, yeah. That's what I was thinking, honestly. But
I mean, it truly is. Honestly, I feel like there's still potential we might come lower, but see what we do now around these highs we just took. We just made that SMT now
yeah.
at the top here. ES does seem weaker today, so let's see what happens. I would still have to see us push like pretty hard above all these highs towards like that 538 to even entertain long. We opened up this 930 gap.
YM's dumping here.
YM.
Yeah.
Interesting. This 1 minute flips, do I like it? Yes, it's super weak compared to NQ here.
Yeah. I'm gonna try that short there.
Yeah, I took a stab at it as well.
This is my last trade, probably.
So
I'm only gonna take
go break even if we take these internal lows. There's like 904 lows. I have my stop at the internal high.
Yeah, me too.
Make it free one time. Thank you.
Yeah, seriously, just make it easy.
I hate that candle right there.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get stopped.
Yeah. We just close back above that gap.
I don't like that candle close. It's gonna whipsaw. It's gonna slingshot us out.
Yeah, I can see it already.
Yeah, this is not my day. Fuck me.
Yeah, I got hit there.
I took a pretty big hit.
Yeah, I had like $350 stop on that. Interesting push.
That's unfortunate.
Technically close those highs right there. Yeah, that is unfortunate. I really did like the 1 minute close too. Oh, they're gonna send it back down.
Yeah, watch. SMT still in place.
Yeah. We do have SMT like at the bottom of this low time frame range with ES.
True. Why I'm still dumping? Wow.
Jeez.
Dumping hard.
We would assume these would be inversely correlated, perhaps. I don't know. I still kind of like the idea of London.
See, I do too, honestly, but
Well, I'm just plummeting down for those.
yeah.
Let's see what happens here. Yeah, SMT at top and bottom of this like 1 minute range. Nothing to really go off around here so far.
Nothing yet.
Yeah.
These lower time frame entries aren't good, honestly.
Yeah, not really. We're like stair stepping on the lower time frame.
Hmm.
We haven't made first percent gap yet either.
Nope.
I will say it definitely seems like ES doesn't want to go higher. We have the SMTs up here. We just actually have to like move. We're just kind of making another range.
Yeah, this is just hot garbage right now.
Yeah.
Just ranging.
Do we have that yellow folder in like 5 minutes? And then we have the 10 a.m. red folder.
But about to open this 5-minute fair value gap too.
You see.
Small,
Yeah.
small one.
See, hopefully we don't just continue to just go sideways.
I hope so too.
That's crazy. That 1 minute inverse didn't even give like a lick move to the downside.
Nope.
Like, jeez, that is insane.
This range is garbage. I hate this. Honestly, I'm surprised that 5-minute didn't send us in pre-market. It really did look nice.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly, it looks solid to go lower off the open. See. KA looks like ES is getting stronger than NQ now, low key. Huh. ES is close to those highs that we have at 538. We'll end up making an SMT there if it takes it.
But okay.
Those like AM highs from yesterday.
Yeah, today's tough, guys. This shit's ass.
Slow grind, slow grind.
Yep.
The other thing with those London lows is like if we are gonna go higher in price, we could use the daily gap, and then when it sends us lower, those equal lows come into play.
That could be true.
Like we
I
may just not want to short today, per chance.
I also don't fully like that YM took it out, but I mean
Yeah, that too.
I still wanted to see us come take it. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I agree. Look at this area here. It just looks like we're starting to want to grind higher. ES just took out those AM highs. We have SMT there now. Pretty big SMT. It's like almost 100 points worth.
Jeez.
Still haven't made a first presented either yet.
Oh wow.
Actually, ES does have a first presented at 939. Small gap.
Mm-hmm.
Sheesh.
Jesus. Wow.
Pretty wicked. Here's that 945 news.
Okay. Yeah, this is just so garbage.
Yeah, it really is. We're just sitting in this range. Does seem like we're just not wanting to go lower though. That's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
The 945 didn't make a bottom wick on it. Now we have that 10 a.m. red folder next. I don't have conviction to either side. That's for sure. Like higher or lower stuff to see.
No, this is just
Right.
absolutely garbage, bro. There's just nothing
Yeah.
here right now.
No, not at all.
Just gotta be patient and wait for something.
Yeah. Previous day high could be the target. I mean, that is like a data wick daily gap fill. Could just be what price wants to lead towards. Still do have SMT on the higher time frame
Hmm.
at the top. Probably just end up slowing down after that news again.
Yeah, honestly, this is just so garbage, dude. What is this?
Not dead ass though. Yes, is making its way towards that gap, daily gap.
Mm-hmm.
We are in the macro, so if we're gonna make any move, all right,
Well,
all right.
Jesus, man.
What the?
I mean,
I guess.
she.
Well, yes, took the previous day. I filled the daily gap in there. Pretty unfortunate. That was the real news, Campbell. The second I say the word macro, are we dead ass? All right, well, now we have SMT in that daily gap. Was that the real manipulation?
If that isn't, I don't know what is, bro. Honestly, I don't know honestly anymore. Maybe we just continue higher. I mean, just like a continuation from Asia, you know, like you were saying.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, like maybe like London accumulated, we broke London's range, so just go higher.
Mm-hmm.
Perhaps, yeah. I mean, at this point, like the daily gap fill is what makes sense. But now we have SMT there, so it's like, damn.
Yeah, now yeah.
And this is 60 points away from it still. Could very well go for it. I just feel like probabilities get lower now that ES took it already. Which is funny because ES was the weaker pair.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy. Only problem is like tapping a daily gap. Like the thing with the daily gap is like it doesn't have to start delivering us intraday at all. That we could tap in and just do nothing.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Because like if you actually had to align time frames, you would want to wait now till the hourly starts showing like displacement out of that gap.
Mm-hmm. You're right, 100%.
We have that news in 8 minutes or so. Thank you is close to that 538 draw. I just hate that there's SMTs all over the top now.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna even take anything else. This just looks.
That's honestly fair. I mean, tomorrow's first day of the month. It's Wednesday. We might actually like start to make some moves.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a lot of red folder tomorrow too, NFP and everything. Sheesh.
I mean, damn. Previous day high. Incoming.
Perhaps not that move. We're starting to invalidate SMTs. I mean, that might just be like a magnet for price, and there's also like another gap above that as well.
Mm-hmm.
Or like you mentioned the other day, we could V-shape the area instead and start flipping higher. That monthly.
Yep.
Honestly, this could be like
The
the
bottom.
week that tells us how Q2 could go. Like if we end up flipping this week and like we have the whole quarter two might just print.
Honestly, this could be the bottom. You know.
Definitely, like at least short term.
Yeah.
I just think there's a lot of money that and like in positions waiting, and that like bottom of 23K that we tapped. Just naturally like a 10% correction. Like I feel like a lot of people are just buying that dip up.
Yeah. Jeez, bro.
And I also feel like they're just like injecting and liquidating like the market as well with this whole war shit.
Mm-hmm.
Like I just feel like they're dumping money in and taking money out and manipulating things. It's weird. Honestly, once previous day high is taken, I'll probably be good to hop off just because like that's kind of like the objective. I feel like for higher.
I agree. Yeah, I'm good to get off to.
The next thing would be 610, which is like the 4 hour fill, but that's about it in my opinion.
Yeah. Nah, honestly, this is good for me. Today was a bad day though for me.
Yeah, it's all good. You didn't take like a heavy hit, did you?
700.
I mean, but you wanted to size up, so I mean, it's fine.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I was decently fine with taking it, but it just sucks.
You just have to be now like just picky, like with your bullets now, pretty much.
Exactly. Yeah. I'm not gonna touch this garbage right now. I'm gonna wait.
It's honestly fair.
Or we just edge previous day high and come back into the range.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like, huh?
Right.
I think ES just tapped that 4 hour up there too. Yeah. We have a 5 minute gap down here.
Yes. Edge previous day high and then just come back
Right,
into
that's
the
insane.
range. I love it.
Typical NQ.
Typical.
You expect nothing less.
Literally. Yeah, alright, honestly, fuck this. I'm ready to just call it.
Yeah, I'm down whenever. It's just pretty mid.
Yeah.
We can open up for questions or anything. If
Yeah.
anyone took anything or wants to go
So,
over anything like that.
Rob took a nice trade.
Sure, everybody take along.
Yeah, long. That's nice.
Solid.
Anyone take anything else?
I'm gonna assume this is gonna be what Spike's previous day high, right?
Yeah, it's gotta be, right?
There's definitely someone that is going for like a 0.3 R right here off that inverse and just saying, fuck it, we have to hit that high right now.
They're about to get cooked.
Honestly, I'd be pretty surprised if we didn't hit it right here either.
No way this doesn't deliver, right? There you go.
Nice.
There it is, yeah. Alright, fellas. I'm calling it there. See you guys tomorrow morning, fellas.
Yes, sir. Catch you guys in the morning.
Yep. Peace out.
Later.